This is EPORDO Internet Cloud Online Time Attendance. It is an innovation of Office Employee Time Attendance solution with new technology for both hardware and software. We are willing to provide more convenient, effective, and real-time intelligent management system for all companies. So let's log in the software. Here is the interface of the software, and you can change the different styles and different colors you prefer to. You can see different colors. Here is employee information. You can add new stuff here. And also you can output the template and input staff name, enroll ID, department and mobile, and then import here if you have many staffs. Add it here, enroll ID, mobile, department and name. And you can also view detail here. So here you can upload staff photo, connect USB camera to your computer and take photo and upload. Close it. Here is shift management. Department shift, the working time you can set here. And here you can see the punch in and punch out time. You have to tell your staff the in time and out time. And this is free shift. Free shift means no fixed working time. So it will calculate the first punch on the machine as in and the last punch on the machine as out. Here you can see the attendance record and also the review here. Attendance report, actual attendance, the real working time. Personal report, overtime, actual attendance, absent, late. And you can see here the shift of this staff and also attendance record for this employee. System setting. You can manage all your device here and you can see the device online or offline. So this software free installation, so you do not need to install software, but you can also view the attendance data anytime, anywhere, from any mobile or any PC. Organization structure, the department setting here. This is important. So this software, it has many good advantages. 7 times 24 hours online monitor and centralized management anytime, anywhere, and real-time data transfer from device to the software. each department staff attendance rates.